To fix this error, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command and then paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window. Hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then you can paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Go to advanced option over here, go to recovery option, click on recovery, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. And then by default Windows 11 would be selected. This is for Windows 11 users. Click on next. You can select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and let this close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. This process will take some time. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.